1920, a debate breaks out inside the Comintern, which is a serious debate about political strategy. And that's the debate that in colonies, what is the nature of the national bourgeoisie? So in India, how are the elites reacting to imperialism? Are they going to collaborate with imperialism? Or those elites that decide to join the anti-imperialist or anti-colonial struggle, led by Gandhi at the time, are they going to be a ally of the working class movement? And the debate that breaks out between Lenin on the one hand, who says one should be conciliatory to the national bourgeoisie, where the national bourgeoisie has a patriotic content. He faces a contest from M.N. Roy. Roy is a revolutionary from Bengal, where I was born, but actually is representing Mexico because he was at the time in Mexico City. Talk about internationalism. There's a famous Japanese communist, who represents the United States Communist Party, but he is
Right.
born and brought up in Japan. So the communist movement is quite interesting like that. But to come back to this point, in fact, the debate in hindsight between Lenin and Roy is not really a debate. It's a discussion about strategy and tactics in different locations because both were right. In certain instances where the bourgeoisie, under pressure from imperialism, is more patriotic, it could be an ally. In other instances where it doesn't have those problems from imperialism, it could be an adversary. So actually, this is cast as a major debate. It's not a major debate. They set the terms for a serious discussion in the Comintern that lasts a generation. How should a left project in a country like India, position itself vis-a-vis its domestic bourgeoisie? This is a debate that goes to the 1950s, opens up in the Indian Communist Movement. Indian Communist Movement splits in 1964 along the lines of the Roy Lenin debate. It's incredible. Till today, this debate has a resonance because we're still debating how to deal with our allies in the bourgeoisie. Are they actual allies, or are we taking advantage of them, or are they taking advantage of us? That's the kind of question to ask.